this episode of Unlocked, we're rolling out something that belongs in every locksmith's kit, the ASEC Vital Cylinder Roll. Whether you're heading out on a call or restocking between jobs, this one's built for the way you work. The roll holds up to 24 cylinders of your choice. Whatever your job demands, it's totally flexible. Pick it up empty and fill it with your own setup, or go for the pre-stocked version loaded with 24 ASEC Vital Euro cylinders, each key to differ and with 5 keys per lock. Either way, it keeps your cylinders protected, organised and ready to go. No rummaging, no loose stock, just grab it and roll it out. It's compact and built to protect your locks from knocks, ideal for van stock or for throwing in your kit bag. So whether you want it your way or fully stocked out of the box, the ASEC Vital Cylinder Roll has your back. For more ASEC Vital products, visit www.aldridgesecurity.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to be the first to know about new content.